Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to review the Carmesy natural and biodegradable sanitary pads. So this brand sent me this box to try them out, and this is not a sponsored video. I'm just sharing my honest opinion about this, and I felt this video was really important for me to share because this is the time we have to start being more responsible towards our environment, and we should start using products which are biodegradable and which are not harmful for the environment. Of course, it's not possible to switch all our products. It's actually not practical, but we should try it as much as possible. So for example, if you're using these regular sanitary pads like Whisper, Stay Free, they have a lot of toxins and chemicals in them, and they are not biodegradable. It takes many years to completely decompose, and which is actually not good for the environment. So you should definitely switch those pads out and use something reusable. For example, menstrual cup is great. I have started using it. I've not gotten completely used to it. I still am practicing, but once I do, I'm gonna make a video on that to educate you more about that. There are also reusable pads, but I have personally not tried that. So definitely you can look for such options which are much better for you than using those toxic pads. So in today's video, I'm going to review these pads. So they have these pads and panty liners, and they both are made from bamboo and corn, and they're actually soft and you feel quite comfortable wearing them, and they're rash resistant because the other pads like Whisper and Stay Free, I don't know why I'm saying only those two brands. So what happens with these ones are they have a lot of toxins and chemicals in them, and due to which you get rashes. Not a lot of people get rashes. I personally have never experienced that, but I know a lot of people who do experience rashes when they wear such pads. So especially if you're suffering, just don't let your body suffer that way. Switch out to more organic and natural ingredients pads if you cannot use menstrual cup. Okay, so before I unbox this, I really want to read the brand's philosophy. I was just going through their site and I was quite impressed. Everything is written so nicely. So they have kind of 3 points written. Like, so first is they are natural. So yeah, they are made up of natural ingredients. So it does not contain any harmful synthetics, and it keeps your body safe, and it actually protects you from the rashes and infections. So it's actually good for your body. The second is it's sustainable because this is eco-friendly. So they are not just safe for your body but also for your environment. And the third is they are responsible. So they actually provide pads to women in need. Like for each purchase you make, they find these needy women and they give the pads to them. As you might know, a lot of women, they drop out of school because of periods, and they miss their school, which is due to lack of awareness. They just don't know a proper menstrual hygiene, and it's really important to make awareness. You must be knowing, right? They use cloth and they just don't use hygienic stuff. Like there's nobody to teach them. So this brand actually gives pads to those women in need, which is great. So let's just start with the unboxing of this. So this is a small box. It comes with 10 pads. They also have a bigger box which I believe contains 40 pads. And when you open the box, I love what's written here. So Carmesy means crimson, which is the color of blood, because menstruation isn't a bad word and women don't bleed blue. Take pride in your body, period. I love this. As soon as I opened this and when I read this, like I absolutely fell in love with this brand, and I love what they are doing, like general awareness. I love that. I'm definitely gonna support that. So it comes with 10 pads, right? So the 5 pads are XL size and the 5 are regular. So the black ones are XL and the grey ones are regular. So it comes with this disposable bag, so you don't really have to search for paper and newspaper. I hate doing that. So this is really convenient. You can just dispose your pad in these bags. These bags are also biodegradable, and this is how the pad looks like. So it still has cover. So this is not like a pad cover as such, it's a disposable bag, and the pad also has one more cover. And this is how the pad looks like. This is the XL size. The regular is little smaller than this. I'm just gonna wrap it back because I don't want to waste it. So only 4 pads are left from this. The rest of them I have used, and my experience with this was amazing. They were quite comfortable given they are made from natural ingredients, and they felt really soft, and there was no leaking whatsoever. So I'll just share the pros of these pads. The first pro which I loved is it comes with the disposable bag, which is also biodegradable, so you don't have to wrap it in paper and stuff, and this becomes really easy and convenient, especially when you're traveling. And also these are rash resistant, so it's good for your body because of the natural ingredients, good for the environment as well, as I just explained. So these were a few pros, and the only con with this is a little expensive. So this costs 250 rupees for a pack of 10 pads. So it's quite expensive compared to the other brands available, like Whisper and Stayfree. They are quite cheap compared to this, but if you really want to save money in a longer run, you should definitely consider buying menstrual cups. I think they cost about 400-500 rupees, and one cup lasts for years, so that is definitely going to save you money in the long time, and it is good for your body and the environment as well. So you can definitely look for that option if you want to save money. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you're looking for a more natural option for your pads, I definitely recommend this. This is great. They also have panty liners, and they also have intimate washes, which I have not tried. So I'll just link this site in the description box below in case you want to check it out. And yeah, that's it for this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.